Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'm Gurpreet Kaur here with another cue card, that is a cake that you had. So before starting the cue card, let me explain you some of the vocabulary words which I'm going to add in my cue card, as well as some idioms and some conjunctions which will help you to fetch more and more bands. As I have seen this thing in most of the students, that they use heavy vocabulary words in order to impress the examiner. So vocabulary doesn't mean you need to add some heavy words. It means that you need to add some of the words which are linked with your cue card, which are linked with the topic which is given by the examiner to you people. So you just need to add some simple basic words which will help you to boost your score automatically. So let's start with some vocabulary words. The first word is scrumptious. It means that something delicious, something very tasty. The next word is rejuvenate. It means that new energy when you want to refresh yourself from your monotonous life. And the next one is hospitable. It means that welcoming nature when you want to welcome someone. The next one is occasion and auspicious days. It means that something special is going to happen on auspicious days. Something special which you want to celebrate with your near and dear ones. Great pomp and show. It means that when you celebrate any kind of function with great enthusiasm. The next one is innumerable surprise. It means that number of surprise. As most of the students, they use word many. So instead of many, you can use innumerable in your writing task too. So the next one is relished. It means that when you appreciate something, when you love something. Over the moon, walking in the air, when you are extremely happy. And the next one is reverberate. It means that when you repeat something. And the last one is gala day. It means something special is going to happen on special day. So these are some of the vocabulary words and 2 to 3 idioms which I have added in this cue card. So hopefully these will help you to fetch more and more bands. So let's start with the sample answer now. Celebration, which is considered as an effective way to get together with our near and dear ones. It not only allows us to rejuvenate mundane lives, but also provide us an opportunity to spend quality of time with others. The word mundane means your dull lives, your boring lives. Okay, so as my parents are very hospitable and we have visitors to our house very often, here I would like to talk about an occasion when I had scrumptious cake. The auspicious day was 23rd of October. It was my birthday, which was celebrated with great pomp and show. I received innumerable surprise as my college companions along with my colleagues arrived at my place with flower bouquet, cakes, delicious chocolates. The moment I saw the cake, my joy knew no bounds. It was red velvet cake which was decorated with red roses and Oreo cookies. I was delighted beyond words. Apart from it, my mother made halwa on every special occasion since it is regarded as a ritual in my family. All my friends as well as co-workers relished the sweet halwa and appreciate the way of hospitality my family did. Believe me, I felt myself over the moon walking in air. The laughs and sweet memories of the day still reverberate in my mind and heart. All in all, it was a gala day for me. Hope so you will like the sample answer which is provided by me for you people. And if you want any kind of changes in my cue card, like if you want that I should add more variety of sentences, I should add more vocabulary words, idioms and conjunctions, kindly please comment below in the comment section. And if you like my